Christmas to my new town. Oh, hello my angels. Today's video is I'm moving to this town. I'm quite excited to be here since I kind of knew. Let's go. I have to find room 1 since I do have the key for room 1. This is going to be small apartment. Looks like I can see it is here. Let's open that. Let's close it. Aw, this is so cute. The bed, I'm in love with it. Love it. Oh, I'm surprised there's even a toilet. Well, I guess I'll probably make some food for me since I am a bit hungry. Then let's go car shopping since I do need a car because I have to walk about 3 miles here since I didn't have my car with me. So I have to get some cars. I think there's some cars. Oh, oops. I think there's some cars in the, what's in the fridge actually, let me just see. Ooh, they already prepared stuff for me. That's quite nice of them. Some juice, ooh, love that. Cheese, I love cheese, like, I love it. I think I'm about to be done. Yes, I'm all done. I'll just place this here. I'll place it somewhere here. This is quite nice. Okay, I'll probably go look around the town since I don't think anybody is coming to it since some people might be coming to this town. Ooh, this is a cute. Love this pet shop. Oh, looks like dogs might be coming. Okay. Keep getting stuck. Okay, I'll just close that since I think I should. Ooh, a Dunkin' Donut, my favorite. Let's go upstairs. This is quite fancy. Is this one of those fancy Dunkin' Donuts? Since in Dunkin' Donuts they don't have this fancy window. Ooh, this is like a picnic area. And I can park my new car here. That's cool. I will probably go car shopping now. I'll just grab my money and then my purse, then we can go. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, I will see you there at the car area. Bye. Hey guys, I am here. Let's walk in. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Would you like any cars here? We have lots of options. You can go look if you would like to. Oh, yes, thank you. I would like to. Ooh, 18,000? Yeah, probably no. It can only fit 2 people. That's actually quite not fine. Oh, this car isn't quite my style and it's quite a lot. Just 1-seater? Probably not. It's quite cute, but no. Ooh, I might like this one, but no. Yeah, that's too much. I can't afford that because I don't have those thousands of bills. I do have thousands of dollars, but I don't think so. I want those. Oh, wait, I see some cars outside. A skateboard. I'll just test this out. No. What about, I quite like this car. Let's test it out. Maybe I would like it. Oh. Ooh. This is quite smooth. That's nice. Wait. This is quite better than the one I just checked out. Let's go check it. fit all my friends here if we want to party. I look so cool in this. I quite like it. I'm just going to take it on a little drive. My friends will totally love this. And just take a picture. Let's take a picture really quick. Okay, I think they might like it. Let me just call them. I know, it's so cool. Okay, bye. I'm probably going to go take it with me. I'm quite excited. Let's go take it home with me. Let's just always the home. I mean my town. Well, it's not quite my town, but I live in it, so it's technically mine. Okay, let's go there. Oh, wait. Good thing. Phew, I did pay. Phew. Let me just call him. Excuse me, did I pay you? Yes, you did. Great. But I can't believe how much it was. It was about 30. I can't even say it. 50 grand. That's a little expensive. I'll just park it over here. Let's go park it. Ooh, I think it's stuck. Wait, I think I fixed it. Okay, let's just try and move it. Come on, we're doing it. Oh well. Okay, that looks good. I'm quite loving it. Guys, hope you love this video. Thank you so much for everything and have a great day. Thank you so much for all my friends for helping out on this build. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, my lovelies.